Morning, you lot. 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm just doing a walk around checks. First thing, always check my kingpin clip. Legs are up. I've already charged it with air. Oh, what a morning. That looks alright. Except I didn't put my hazards on. I nearly swore then. Didn't put my hazards on. One thing I do want to do is check the brake. Check the airlines. Oh look, airlines. Yep, they're all good. Oh. Stick the hazards on. Check everything out. Adrian's down there, by the way, look. Can't see him. You can see him, can you? No, you can't see him. You can see him in that mirror. There's Adrian. We're going to go and see Adrian. Well, we're not really. We're going to... we've arranged that I'm going to go in and do my collection this morning before him. Let me just check the time and what I've done so far. Right, there goes my phone. Fill in my paperwork, well, check the indicators work and everything, you know, the lights and all that malarkey. Pardon me. Finish my coffee off. That's a coffee. Oh, let me show you this, guys, right? If you're a bit of a coffee lover like me, I normally have black coffee unless it's caramel latte. Oh, that stuff is heaven. First thing in the morning, kicks your day off the right way. Anyway, let's go and do this. We'll go and get a load of car parts going up to Liverpool, and yeah, that's what it's all about this morning. Me and Adrian are going up there. I don't think we'll be going up. Don't think we'll be running together, but we're both going up there anyway. And nice quick load, nice quick tip, and away we go. Yeah, we've got another boring day a little bit later on. We've got to go to Chet Pallets in Birmingham, which yesterday I spent 4.5 hours there. Yay. So anyway, right, I'll see you in a bit. Well, that's our nice little... Oh, my window's filthy. Why is my window so filthy? I'll clean that for you in a minute. Sorry. My windows are absolutely gipping. Right, so yeah, we're going to go and get this load of car parts. It's exactly the same run we did the other day. And they're nice, they are lovely, those new Volvos. Oh, beat you to it, Kevin! Ah, I'm the first one in, aren't I, lucky bastard? Yes, I am. I'm just going to make sure that I beat everybody up there today, and then when I get down to Chet Pallets, I suppose I better go and book in or something nice like that. Right, I'll see you in a mo. There's 3 of us here. That's good. The first one in the kit, you probably noticed that I will be the... That's just annoying, that. You'll probably notice I'll be the first one back down here, but the last one to actually come out of Chet Pallets later on tonight. I was in there for 4.5 hours yesterday, and believe me, I've never been so bored in my entire life. I mean, there's stuff on my bed actually, I've noticed. I cleaned all my bed off. I cleaned all the bunk I've done under the carpets. I've cleaned like you would not believe. I put everything in its place. I was being a bit of a home freak, and this morning, you wouldn't believe it, mind you, been living in it. But yeah, it was spotless in here. I didn't do the outside because it was raining, although there was a really nice truck parked up behind me, and I meant to get some shots for you to show you what it was, but I'm hoping I can get the guy again at some point, and then we can. He'll probably be at Truck Fest, to be fair. That'll be fine. But we'll get some nice shots of that truck, which was a really, really pretty Volvo. It was nice. And we go all the way down here to Bay 17. There's those stillages again. And this is a little bit tight. Do you remember I came around here the other day? I don't know if you saw that video or not, but it was a little bit on the tight side. So I just take it nice and steady around here. Because you have to, you're almost there. You're literally about 2 inches away that side, 2 inches away that side coming round. This is a little tight. Why they put speed bumps in these places? There's Kevin coming in now. I dare say Adrian will be in any minute. I still think that looks like a really lovely truck. And here's Bay 17, Zibzen. And we park up against our fence. Opens the curtains, well, curtain. He bangs it all on one side. Has it started work already? I was hoping to finish off my coffee. About there, that should do us. That's us loaded. I'm just going to draw forward for Kev. Really quick load there, really quick load. I'll draw forward so Kev can get in. Then I shall set my sat nav to go to the right place. Off we go. Take my yellow off. Yeah, orange and blue. I'm obviously colourblind today. Seatbelt on. Safety first, can't click every trip. All that malarkey. And off we jolly well trot ski. Sorted. Go on then, sat nav, let's go. If you shout at me, I won't be pleased. Ah, you know what I didn't do?
You will arrive at your destination at 9:46.
Why are you shouting? Stop shouting. Try that. Right. I have to go 8 the in and in the 8. Whee. Screw it over, Daz. Give him a nice little thank you. And do you know what? Because we can't go around that way and it's clear, I'm going to go that way. Naughty of me, I know. Oh. And there we go. Nice quick load, and it's just as quick tipping. It really is. It's just as quick tipping. Yeah, so that Sainsbury's isn't used, or at least it's not used as a Sainsbury's, and all their car parks closed off, and it's all barriered off. You can't get anywhere, which is a shame really, because they could make it into a nice little truck stop, that car park. There's Adrian. chat with Adrian. Oh, no, we can't. Don't want to get in the way of the school bus. That's where I was parked last night. And off we go around this way. Yeah, so it wasn't a bad night's sleep there, actually, to be fair. It was reasonably quiet. I woke up this morning to some idiot with his music blaring who, for some reason, didn't like the sound of my air horn. I don't know why. Can't possibly imagine why. Anyway, we'll get up to old Ellesmere, get some empty pallets, scoop them up, and then, quick as a flash, we shall be, curb it Darren, quick as a flash, we should be back down in Birmingham. Alright, kid. Our kid, sorry. Our kid, not our. Our kid. We're back down there, and then we'll get stuff tipped and park up again for the night. So pretty bog standard day, to be fair. Let's let this guy in because I'm nice like that at 53 miles an hour. Yeah, a little bit of motorway footage for you. You don't very often get treats like that, do you? We're nearly there. Very nearly there. For those of you that watch the vlogs, I've been watching the vlogs for a while, you'll notice that you'll remember this road with the evil launch ramps on them that you have to try and get yourself over in one piece. I'm now literally doing 3 miles and not even that, 2 miles an hour, creeping over that, and it's still juggling me back. They're awful. They're horrible. I mean, I kind of get it really. Look at how straight that road is. It's like this was. The Romans would be proud. The Romans would be proud of this. Oh. So therefore, they've put speed bumps in to stop the little Corsa drivers arsing it up here at 70, 80 miles an hour. And quite rightly so. Corsas are girls' cars. I'm sorry, but they are. They're just girls' cars. Anyway, don't ask. Don't just. They are though, aren't they? Don't you agree that there's men's cars and girls' cars? I think there is. I think there is. There could be. I don't know. So we're going up here and we're turning left and we'll get it tipped and we'll get it done and everybody will be happy. The end. I can't remember where I'm going next. I'll have to look in a minute. Going in here. Right, well, I shall get booked in. I can put my there we are. Alright. Time to get booked in, get round there, get loaded. Lovely job. Come on, pigeon, move. Are you gonna move? You alright? Is he still there? Yeah. Right. Come on, mate, you can over. I'll chase him off. I'll do it. on you.
Been like this all day. Suicide, lady, that one. Well, cheers.
Cheers, mate. Right, doors, bay 51 and 52, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. So there's a pigeon in the way, would not move. It just would not move. I had to scare it to try and get it to move a little bit. Oh dear. I'm down to one GoPro, by the way, so you're going to have to put up with my forward-facing camera. That was quite comical, actually. I don't like pigeons, but I don't want to be inhumane to them unnecessarily. Why not? Why not? They are flying rats after all. But no, seriously though, I keep a stick in the cab for opening the bulk bags when we do quarry work and stuff. So I know what I'll do, I'll scare him off with that. Yeah, he wasn't really bothered at first, he or she, wasn't really bothered at first. Oh dear. That's it, done. Quick as that. I mean, you wouldn't know how quick it was because of all the editing and stuff that goes into it, but literally, I've been here, well, I couldn't get a 15-minute break in, put it that way. So, we're now going to go and have a 15-minute break, and then we're going to head over to Liverpool, where we will collect a load of empty pallets and go to a place where I was sat for 4.5 hours yesterday. Chet Pallets in Birmingham. What a dive. No other way of explaining it, just a complete dive. You can bet your bottom dollar someone's parked right where I want to have my break, just outside the gates. Unbelievable. Thank you, my friend. Now it's kind of a blind side here, but it's not, if that makes sense, because I'm going to go in there like that, snake it in there like that, and then I'm lined up nicely for that side of the footpath, and I can see on my good side. Sorted. That's how you do a blind side. Kind of. Just want to straighten the unit out. It's still a bit wonky. That's it. We're in. We're in the gap. Nice and neat as well. Sorted. Time for a 15-minute break. I'll see you in a bit. B&M to collect a load of pallets. Oh, cheers, pal. Thank you very much. That's jolly good. And bring it in there like that. I'm gonna go in there.
After 900 feet, you
Thanks,
have
mate.
reached your destination.
And here we are. Let's get in here. Done a delivery here once before, I think. Let's talk to the nice man in the gatehouse, shall we? Hello mate, you're alright. I've got a collection of empty Chet pallets.
What size, cube or volt?
It just says B&M retail collection reference. It's blue. It'll be blue regular Chet pallets, I believe. As far as I'm aware. Do you want a reference number?
No, because I haven't got nothing to reference it with. I don't get a list for collections or nothing.
All right. Yeah, all I've got is blue Chet pallets. It'll be the Euro pallets, usually.
So, do you have to be loading wagons like this?
Well, we're on the wrong site apparently. We need to go down here, all the way around the building, all the way out, turn right, turn left. Okay then, that's what we'll do. Fastest I have ever been loaded in my entire life. I literally,
take the first exit.
he parked me up, he said open your curtains, walk up there, grab your paperwork. Okay, no problem. By the time I walked back he was loaded, and that was the sum of about 8 minutes, I suppose, 7-8 minutes.
Cross the roundabout.
Unreal.
And take the second exit.
Unreal, really good. So I haven't even taken my high vis off yet. Yeah, so really good with that. We're on our way to Chet Pallets in Birmingham now, and it's a gorgeous day. It's 17 degrees out there. It's lovely. We like that. There's lots of people milling about, enjoying the sunshine. So yeah, all is well.
After 600 feet,
I love this area. I don't know why, I just do.
Speak Road.
I love Liverpool. Anywhere around here. Gorgeous
right
place. Love it.
And take the third exit.
Yeah, if I could move up here I would. And what's going on here then? Everybody's waiting for him.
Follow A561 Speak Road towards Whitney
Anyway,
for 3.5 miles.
that's it for now from me.